Welcome to today's lesson on subject verb agreement. Do you wonder why we say she goes but they go, or why the team is sounds right but sometimes we hear the team are? Understanding subject verb agreement is crucial for speaking and writing correct English. Today we'll go through 10 essential rules with easy explanations and examples. Stay tuned for a quiz at the end to test your knowledge. Rule number 1. Singular subjects take singular verbs. If the subject is singular, the verb must also be singular. Add s or es in the present tense. For example, she reads a book. He writes email every day. My mother cooks delicious food. The dog barks loudly. Rule number 2. Plural subjects take plural verbs. If the subject is plural, the verb must be plural without s or es. For example, they read books. The student study for the exams. My parents work in an office. The cats play in the garden. Rule number 3. I and you always take plural verbs. Even though I and you are singular, they follow plural verb rules. For example, I go to school every day. You are my best friend. I am happy today. I goes to school and you is my best friend are the incorrect sentences. Rule number 4. Compound subjects joined by and take a plural verb. If two subjects are joined by and, the verb must be plural. For example, my brother and I. My brother and I love playing football. Tom and Jerry are best friends. Apples and oranges taste great together. My brother and I loves play football is an incorrect sentence. Rule number 5. Or and nor. Verb agrees with the closest subject. If the subjects are joined by or nor, the verb agrees with the closer subject. For example, neither the teacher nor the students are in the classroom. Either my friends or my brother is coming to the party. Rule number 6. Collective nouns can be singular or plural. Words like team, family, group, jury, audience can be singular or plural depending on the meaning. The team is winning, singular as one unit, and the team are celebrating their victory, plural, as individuals. Rule number 7. Indefinite pronouns usually take singular verbs. Words like everyone, someone, nobody, each, everybody take a singular verb. For example, everybody loves ice cream. Each student has a book. Someone is knocking at the door. Rule number 8. Fractions and percentages depend on the noun. The verb depends on whether the noun after the fraction percentage is singular or plural. For example, half of the cake is gone, singular. Half of the students are absent, plural. Rule number 9. Titles, names, and countries take singular verbs. Movie titles, book names, and country names are always singular. For example, the United States is a big country. Harry Potter is a famous book. The Avengers is a great movie. Rule number 10. There is versus there are. Use there is for singular noun and there are for plural nouns. For example, there is a book on the table, singular. There are many books on the table, plural. Quick quiz. Now, let's test your knowledge. Comment your answers below. Which sentence is correct? The boy play football or the boy plays football? Number 2, choose the correct sentence. My family is happy or my family are happy. Number 3, neither John nor his friends is coming or Neither John nor his friends are coming. Conclusion. Now you know 10 essential subject verb agreement rules to improve your fluency. Comment below which rule was new for you. Like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. Thank you.